Hello students, today we have taken a very interesting topic in coordinate geometry that is called section formula. To understand it in a better way, let us consider a situation. Suppose you are returning from your school to your home and unfortunately on the way your vehicle breaks down. Now you have informed this situation to your parent. Your parent is in the office. Now, how your parent will locate your position where your vehicle breaks down? Let us discuss this in Cartesian plane. Alright. Here let us discuss the situation in the Cartesian plane. X-axis, Y-axis, these are drawn. O is the origin. And here your school is represented by the point A and your home is represented by the point B. And the position where vehicle breaks down, that is represented by point P. And your parent office is at the origin. He or she will locate the point where P lies, or the coordinates of point P. Alright. For this, let us consider the coordinates of point AB x1, y1 and the coordinates of point BB x2, y2, which is shown in the diagram. And the coordinates of the origin, as you know, it is 0, 0. Now students, we can find the coordinates of point P if we know the ratio of AP and BP. Dear students, let us consider this ratio, that is AP and BP equal to m:n. Again, let us describe the situation, that is the coordinates of point AB x1, y1 and the coordinates of point B x2, y2. We want to find the coordinates of point P. Let it be x, y. We want to find this coordinate, that is x and y. Here we know the ratio of AP and BP, which is equal to m:n. Dear students, to find the coordinates of point P, we have to make some construction. Let us do that. Here you can see that we have drawn perpendicular AL, PM and PN on x-axis. Then after that, we draw perpendicular AR on PM and perpendicular PS on BN. Now students, you can see that AR equal to OM minus OL, which is equal to x minus x1, and PS is equal to ON minus OM, which is equal to x2 minus x, and again PR is equal to PM minus RM, which is equal to y minus y1. Then BS equal to BN minus SN, which is equal to y2 minus y. Now students, in the diagram you can see that triangle ARP and triangle PSB, these are similar. Now, if the two triangles are similar, their opposite sides are proportional. So we can write that AP by PB is equal to AR by S, which is equal to PR by BS. Here you can see that the ratio of AP and PB is m:n, and let us substitute the other values. So m:n is equal to x minus x1 divided by x2 minus x, which is also equal to y minus y1 divided by y2 minus y. Now let us separate the ratio, that is we can write that m:n equal to x minus x1 divided by x2 minus x1, and m:n is also equal to y minus y1 divided by y2 minus y. Now let us simplify the first part. So let us cross multiply. So what we are getting, mx2 minus mx is equal to nx minus nx1. Now what we do, let us bring all x2 and x1 on the left hand side and the terms containing x on the other side. So this reduces to mx2 plus nx1 is equal to mx plus nx. So this gives us mx2 plus nx1 is equal to mx plus nx. Now after that, let us take x common. So what we get, mx2 plus nx1 equal to x into m plus n. So from here, x becomes mx2 plus nx1 divided by m plus n. Similarly, we can derive that, or we can show that y is equal to my2 plus ny1 divided by m plus n. Dear students, so the coordinates of point P are x equal to mx2 plus nx1 divided by m plus n, and y equal to my2 plus ny1 divided by m plus n. Now some students may think this is very hard formula. It is not like that. There is a trick, you can remember it easily. So what we do, let us see it here. We write like this, x1, x2, y1, y2. Then below it, let us write m, n, m, n. then x equal to u cross multiply, then add. So what we are observing, x equal to this mx2 plus nx1 divided by m plus n. In the case of y also cross multiply. So we are getting y equal to my2 plus ny1 divided by in the m plus n. In both the cases, students, the denominator is m plus n. Okay, students, thank you so much.